Hello, hello, hello. This is our demo for our game. This is for Group 9 Bok Choy. So starting off with the gameplay. Just let that load in. So as you can see, I'm using W to walk, A and D to turn left and right, S to walk backwards. So as of right now, during our development phases, we implemented entities or enemies right now, which is the red pills. Um, Basically, these just follow the enemy wherever they go. They're artificial intelligence using the assets of what you call it, DevMesh agent. Um, so these blue ones are NPCs where they are currently. Some of them are bugged out because of the pro builder that no, the polybrush that I used to make around this terrain to make it a hill like, but I think it didn't work well. As you can see, they move around very randomly around the area. This are going to be NPCs that we're going to be interacting with. As of right now, we're still in progress with the interacting part of the NPCs because we haven't worked through all the source code yet so far. We're still learning pieces by pieces and building up into the game. Especially, we usually task. I was tasked to will each member. One member was working on the UI, the UX of the game. I was tasked to do the terrain and all that stuff. So that's what I did right now. I messed around with the shapes, the trees that I have. As you can see, like the trees right here aren't very structured to the ones outside, but that's still very work in progress. As of also the UI, as of also the actually the enemies right here, as you can see, they're shaped very different to how they're supposed to be because I thought I could mess around with them using Polybrush. Um, so far, as of ideas for our UI, um, so this would be the first one. Would be the gameplay. As you can see in the bottom, these are hydration bars, health bars, and I forgot about this one. I think this is what are the food bar probably. Right here in the bottom part, this is the book. This is which how you access the spell books and all that stuff. So, an example would be this one. As you can see, it shows like various spells that you could unlock that or you've already unlocked as a player. These are just the basic ones that we have as default. You want to put a progression uh, idea around these spells where every time you level up, you could upgrade a spell or unlock a new spell. Um, so far, right now, as you can see, this is just like a demo of the map we're planning to make. So the idea behind this is basically just the very first level, which is very simple, very plain, nothing much. But as you continue, as the character progresses, like over time and maps and all that stuff, the terrain starts to change a little. It starts to become more a little darker, a little difficult, especially maneuver around. But also the entities gets a little stronger, so it's like a progression-based game. But each game has to unlock a certain to kill a certain you could say a boss of that map. So usually we're gonna be located around this map in the cave, and we want them to defeat them and all that stuff. So as of right now, this is our demo. We do plan to work on a new platform soon, but as of right now, this is like our sandbox area, trying to understand the tools that was showed to us recently. So yeah, thank you.